Alright, starting the half incher. Go real slow. Wow, a lot of noise there. Oi! Slow it down more. There. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit of torque. If we could just constantly feed lubricant in there. Wow. Alright, this will be a while. There it is. Wow. So you can do some pretty big stuff on a mini mill. Jeez, jeez. And yes, it's a Hun Center. And I get to use my brand new reamers. Wow. This thing is parts hot. Yeah. A lot of drilling. Oh, and towards the end I switched over to regular motor oil for drilling stuff. A lot quieter. The chatter pretty much sort of disappeared. Hey. Nice, nice. Clean that up. This looks pretty nice. Yeah, that's like perfectly centered. I can't tell the difference. Alright. I guess just drill. Well, let's see if the part fits. Please fit. Oh yes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It doesn't get better than that. Alright, so all I have to do is just drill, tap the holes, and use Scotch-Brite on the finish, and let's see. Alright, shop is cleaned up. What a mess. Shavings everywhere. So, chucked back in, collets are out, everything's put away, ready to drill and tap here. Just trying to figure out where to put the hole. I'm already centered up with the edge finder. And that's good for this one. And that's going to be a good spot for this one too. So be it. And since oil worked, I have a feeling, anybody want a huge bottle of Aqua Tap and drill? I'm going to try just regular oil like everybody else is using. I've never done it that way. More chips. Slow that down a bit more. There we go. What's it look like? Where's the brush? I'm going to tell that hole looks really good. Just the eye. I think. Long project. Alright, someone chipped at me. I'm gonna get up there. And through. Tap time. Well, yeah, I'll just use the Tap Magic though, because that stuff is nice. And Chucky. That out. Here's this guy. Where are you? Tap Magic. Oh, this is metric. I like the metric because the threads are really fine on it. And this was a 5 by 0.8. Alright. Get that in there. Alright, that's pretty far in. Let that go and do the rest by hand. Turn around. That's a branch. Nice and handy. Have to get up and go over to the other tool chest. Hey, yeah, that's got a lot of cred in there. Blow that off. Alright. More goop. Nice. Beautiful. And it's actually quiet outside. No fans, no cars, no chippers down the street tearing up trees. Should be on. Wait, back it up. There's gotta be a bunch of stuff in there. I can feel it. Here it comes. Yeek. Alright, look at it all. Clean. Clean that off. I don't think I need any more tapping stuff. Plenty down in that hole. There we go. Almost through. Gotta be almost through. Yeah, there it is. Now it's easing up. Nice. Getting a little bit warm again. Starting to sweat. Alright, just need to chain for that. Where's the drill bit? There. And there's 90s and there's 60s. And I like using the 60s. I just want to take the edge off a little bit. Don't want to really plunge down into the hole. There's beautiful. Alright, one more hole to drill and tap. Alright, now for the finishing touches, the Scotch-Brite. There's 3 Scotch-Brites. There's a real soft white one, and that's like for really fine tuning. There's this reddish kind of one, and there's a really tough one, which, believe it or not, is the best one that I found to get a nice finish on aluminum. So, aluminum and steel, so I'm using this all the time. And I make these guys. Yeah, it's sold at Industrial Metal Supply in squares. I just put the arbor through it, I stick it in the chuck in the lathe, and I just put a black marker on it and make a maximum diameter, and then I use the scissors and cut it. So, let's go. This deburrs a lot of stuff too. Wait! That's always fun. Works real quick. I forgot to drill a hole for the height. That's right. Well, I can't even make the height thing until the lathe is back online. So I won't be able to complete this I get the light back up right. That's pretty much how it is. Nice finish. I don't know if you can see it, but just a nice textured finish. Alright, that's it for this project. Alright, in the video, I didn't realize at one point when I was doing dovetail work, the final, I was still zoomed in and my hand was in the way. What I was trying to do was just to manually put the tool post over this. This was in the vise, like that, and I was trying to slide the tool post on it, and I kept dovetailing in until it just fit perfect. But here's a close-up kind of the finished product. Doo-doo-doo. Hole is on center, both ends. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm probably gonna have to make another one for a different tool that I have. So hope you enjoyed. Bye.